over here. Under 60 pounds, yeah. Hello. Look at going fast. You want to do it? Oh, it's going too fast. It's going too fast.
They've been doing this for several years.
Oh my god, my head is going to spin now. I don't know if we'll do it more. just happening by itself.
No, no.
I know, but if you can do faster, if you even.
No, look. It's not happening by itself.
Oh man, my head is spinning. My head is spinning. Oh, no, other side?
That looks nice. Whoa, wait.
See, look at the line now. We came on time.
Now it's not.
Yeah. It was fun? Oh my god. My head is spinning, Yousuf.
Please check out the exciting and eventful bazaar that we have going on in the gym. We have a lot of different vendors, so a bunch of cool things. Please check them out. Today's lineup includes a lot of different food items and snack items for you to enjoy. A reminder to everyone, please be respectful of the intellectual property. Ensure that we are following proper guidelines for lining up and representing our community on the top.
How was that? Good?
I was too scared to ride it, but like.
What? Go up, jump, go, Oh, I didn't make the video of you. That's it done? You are the first one? And you are the only one?